What is the perfect school for us? A clean school with well-equipped labs, with Wi-Fi connection and interactive whiteboards in all classrooms.
With a big library equipped with tablets too.
Well-organized sport facilities, a big gym and different courts.
With a small restaurant and lockers to put our books and personal belongings.
Without much homework, but with a lot of project work done at school.
A school that can cover our educational needs so as not to have to do afternoon lessons with private teachers.
A school where we can try new methods of learning using digital technology almost in all subjects.
This way learning can be fun, and if learning is fun, then we would love to go to school.
Let's also not forget school trips. All students enjoy school trips. We also love watching movies and plays.
In a perfect school there will be no bullying. We will care for our schoolmates and respect our teachers.
Our school values will be understanding, care, respect, collaboration, support, patience, enthusiasm, and resilience.
What if we make mistakes? We learn through mistakes.
We want to learn how to learn. A perfect school can't be without teachers.
But we want teachers to be supportive, helpful, understanding, patient, and most of all enthusiastic.
We ask much, maybe, but this is a perfect school for us.